What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into the channel. Pretty much I'm gonna do a build series on this thing. I kind of thought about doing like a Polaris or a Can-Am, but those things are just pretty pricey. And then this Honda Rancher came up and I just got a stinking good deal on it. So it's a 2004 Honda Rancher 400cc with four-wheel drive, and it actually already has aftermarket wheels and tires that look fairly decent for now. But pretty much we're gonna go over what I'm thinking about on a build for this. So I know this isn't really like what I normally do on the channel. I'm usually talking about my Cummins or doing something on the Cummins, but I thought it would be super sick to do a quad build, and this came up and I'm definitely gonna see what I can do with it. I plan on using it as kind of just a workhorse and using it around to actually I can pull smaller trailers and probably the jet ski and stuff just around here because it has a ball hitch. And I had been looking at quads to build one, and this thing is probably gonna be a tank once I'm done with it. So my plans are to probably do some kind of stereo system on it, and eventually maybe some kind of suspension lift and powder coat whatever suspension I put on it, new wheels and tires at some point, obviously cleaning up some stuff that's on it, like these plastics probably need some back to black on them, and mechanically and everything it runs great and it's a great quad all around. We'll fire it up real quick. And then I don't know if I'll do any engine mods or whatever yet, but there is always the option of doing some kind of exhaust or cold air intake or whatever. And then I'll probably keep it yellow unless I end up wanting to do a wrap at some point, but there's no need to paint it or change the color right now. So if I do go the route of changing the color, I'm probably gonna go with a vinyl wrap. But yeah, definitely let me know if you guys have any ideas with it. I'll do LED bars for sure. But if anybody has any ideas for me to put on there or whatever, definitely let me know. It's kind of just literally I'm gonna probably just get parts here and there, throw it on, try to get a sound system going, use it around here. Here's the ball hitch right here. There's a nice 2-inch ball installed on it right now. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked with it. Got a really good deal on it, and I've been wanting to do a quad build forever, so this will definitely be a good start, and maybe I will eventually end up doing a Can-Am or something like that. But this thing has pretty good bones, and I'm definitely gonna turn it into like a off-road kind of beefy looking mud rig or whatever. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see me install anything on this, and make sure to drop a thumbs up. right there is why I love this thing. Literally the first day of owning it, and I'm already using it to pull the boat out, and it just pulls it like nothing. Smaller trailers, it'll totally handle them, and yeah, it just looks stinking cool. I love the quad for sure. Yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos of the quad build and the other builds I have on this channel, like my Cummins build. But yeah, stay tuned for more. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys next time.